Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Winnie. Welcome to yet another amazing video. This is a YouTube channel where we share amazing tips on homemaking, cooking, and lifestyle in general. Today I'm taking you through a step-by-step on how to make caramel popcorn. So without wasting time, let's make the caramel popcorns. So for the caramel popcorn, basically we need to first pop the popcorn. I have these the popcorns kernels, the cereals, the popcorns, and then for the caramel we will need sugar, margarine butter, and baking soda. So first, let us pop our popcorn first. So these are 500-gram package. So I'm going to use half of it because I'm not making a lot of popcorns. Then we will add cooking oil. You have to be generous with the cooking oil if you want all your popcorns to pop. There's one ingredient I've forgotten, and that is the salt. So I've used like 250 grams of popcorn seed. So, and then the popcorn base. Then I put salt. Then so once you put salt, you mix everything. As I said, you have to be generous with the oil. You see, all my seeds have been covered with cooking oil. So you thoroughly mix to ensure that the salt have dissolved. Once you have mixed them well, now you have to put on the fire. What you do, you have to pop them on low medium heat. So I'll put them on fire and then I'm going to put on the medium heat and then I'm going to cover them up. As they are popping, I would have made the caramel first, but let the popcorn pop first. Now my popcorns are popping very well. You can hear the sound, they are popping very well. Once they are halfway popped, what you do, you have to shake them so that not to burn, and also for all of them to pop. So let my popcorn continue popping. Imagine they are popping, they are almost filling the sufuria. Everything. This is the biggest sufuria I have in my house. We are done with popping our popcorns. As you can see, the popcorns are looking amazing. Let me taste. The salt is amazing. So our popcorns I'm done with the popcorns. Now we go to making of the caramel. In making of the caramel, we will need sugar, margarine, and baking soda. Only these three ingredients only. So first we are going to melt our sugar. I've put on the fire. So this is like a cup of sugar. Yes, I'm used to measuring with my mind. So first what we'll do, we are going to melt this sugar. And you can see the popcorns are popping. So let's melt the sugar. You're going to use medium heat while you are melting the sugar so that you don't burn the sugar. So let the sugar melt there slowly. You can see our sugar is melting. Our sugar is melting, so I'm going to, you have to mix it. So I'm mixing the sugar for it to melt. So as it is it's melting, I want to divide this popcorn into two, and they are burning me. So you can see our sugar is it's melting very well. So once the sugar has melted, what you do, you add 1 tablespoon of margarine. You can see I was generous with the 1 teaspoon. Put 1 teaspoon of margarine, and then you mix. And then this is where you reduce the heat, because you have to be very careful for it not to burn. So this holiday season, hey, how to ensure that your kids enjoy staying at home. So you stir very well to ensure that the caramel and the sugar and the margarine are mixing very well. Now, once the margarine and the sugar, yani the caramel, has mixed very well, now this is where you put a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. The purpose of the baking soda is to help the caramel break down so that it can stick on the popcorns very well. So this is a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda I'm putting there, and then I'm going to mix. You know, once you mix, it will start to foam. The foaming is telling you that the caramel is breaking down and it is ready to be transferred to the popcorns. So once it forms like this, now you transfer it to the popcorns. So I'm putting it into my popcorns, and then you have to be very fast to mix them. To mix it with the popcorns. Let me come here down so that you can see. You have to ensure that you mix it very well and very fast. Very well and very fast, so that it can coat all the popcorns. I wish I had a bigger sufuria, but this one will do. And just like that, we have made the caramel popcorns. Just like that. The popcorns might have been more than the caramel, and that is what I wanted, because I didn't want them to be extremely sugary. But for you guys, you have seen the process of making caramel popcorns. And just like that, the popcorns are done. Our caramel popcorns are done. So I'm going to wait them to cool down so that I can break them into smaller pieces. So guys, that's my caramel popcorns. Hoping you have learned something. Kindly don't let your kids at home just not enjoy good snacks during these holidays. So guys, thank you so much for watching and following. Kindly, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and tell me if, and kindly go and try this recipe and we'll see how the caramel popcorns are looking nice. And I know they are tasty. So let them cool down and then we are going to enjoy. Bye. See you next time.